So now that we know how to do keywords, the next thing we want to do is put that in our resume. Now, you don't want to just put this in any resume. You want to put it in a ATS style resume. Let me show you what I mean by that. So I have an example of that in my book here, and I'm just going to show you that real quick. And if you want an example of this, there's a couple things you can do. You can go and Google how to find an ATS style resume, those exact words, or you can go to my site, ConvoCourses.com, and look for a cybersecurity marketing course, and that has a free downloadable of what I'm about to show you. And it has the actual format that you can download it and use it for your own resume. ATS style resumes are so important. I'm using word art here. I'm telling you how to do this. I'm walking you through it in this book. That's all the stuff that's going to be in this book that's coming here real soon. So I'm looking for the actual resumes. I got a lot of stuff in here. It's breaking down everything, every aspect of what I'm telling you right now, but in greater detail. I skipped over a whole bunch of stuff that you should know. So I'm trying to find my ATS style resume in here. Okay, ATS style resume, all the sections. I give you an example of what that looks like. And then we go to there. Here it is right here. So here's an example of an ATS. Yeah, this is it. This is it. See how simple this is? This is an ATS style resume. It's very, very simple. It's not got a lot of stuff in it. So it'll have the person's name. Nothing fancy. It's nothing fancy going on with this. Now you can make a fancy ATS style resume, you know, and I'm not wasting my time with that for this. I'm just telling you exactly how to do this. You'll start off with a breakdown of what's going on of the person, and then you'll put your contact information, a breakdown of who you are,